Hello everybody! Today we're going to make a cake that is dogs friendly. So I have
Our dog Lulu.
Yes, I have a super
eating ice
sweet girl helping me.
I'm eating ice
So we're going to mix the ingredients. Everyone. So what go first, Belly? Peanut butter. What do you want to put first? We're going to mix it here in this. So we have 3 spoons of peanut butter. We have 1 egg. Belly's going to put the egg. No! You can do. Who is it?
Come here.
I was the egg. Oy. Sorry. It's okay. You barely just put the magic touch. Now we're going to have half of banana. You can use this belly. She's getting certified. She's going to be certified as a chef assistant pretty soon.
No.
Okay. So Belle is going to put the next ingredient is a little bit of baking powder. So you can do this.
Like a pinch.
Like this. Pinch. That's kind of small pinch, a little bit bigger. Oh, there's a big pinch. Very good. And now, who wants to mix it? You want to mix it? That's it. No more, because then the cake is going
Fluffy. I want to feel it.
Uh-oh. Okay, now we're going to mix the ingredients. Da-da-dun, da-da-dun.
I don't know how to use it.
What? Da-da-dun. This is because Lulu is turning 4, so we are making a cake that we can all eat. My assistant, I don't know where is she. I think she went away. She's still around. I don't know where she is. I think someone is coming to surprise us.
I'm a boy.
I didn't hurt you. I'm looking for Belly. Okay, so now we're going to put the ingredients. Suri, do you want to do it?
Yeah.
So we put the ingredients here, just in a little container.
Okay.
And the best part, 1 minute in the microwave, and after that we will have a beautiful cake for Lulu.
Or not. Or we can have a very fluffy cake.
It's going to be
Or we can have a pancake.
okay. Oh, and the best part, doesn't have sugar, doesn't have flour, is dog friendly, it's healthy.
It's peanut butter.
It's peanut butter.
It's basically like a peanut butter.
An
Basically,
egg
you just like
and a banana.
you put peanut butter into a bowl and put it in the oven and like
With a banana.
with peanut
Okay, so now
Peanut
let's
butter
put
dog,
it
that's
1 minute. Okay, Belly, how many minutes?
I have no idea.
1 minute. 1 minute. Da-na-na-na. 1 minute to have the best cake ever.
Are you gonna play the video the whole time?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, no. Alright.
It's almost there.
Alright, I'll take the camera from here. I'll take it.
No, wait.
take it.
No. Because it's the recorder.
Sweetie.
30 seconds.
Looks like a slanted muffin.
Yeah. Oh! Look at the cake is getting huge.
It's like it's.
Huh?
What?
And
It's gonna explode.
okay. La 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 la. Lulu's cake. Woo!
Whoa.
Now we need to get extra peanut butter.
Now we have to wait to get dry, and we're going to put her for.
This is probably not how yours is gonna turn
This is our Lulu's cake.
But like it's supposed to be flat. And
We
ours
were the
failed.
chef, right, Belly? So okay.
Not like a fail, but it's like
See you later. Then we make another video with Lulu blowing out the candle.
Look at the Lulu. Wait, what?
Bye bye.
Fire bad. Why?
Bye bye.
Don't.